When it comes to starting a business in Spain, one of the most popular legal forms is a Sociedad Limitada, SL, also known as a limited liability company. Establishing an SL can offer numerous advantages, including limited liability protection and a flexible corporate structure. However, navigating the legal requirements and procedures involved in setting up an SL, especially for foreigners, can be complex. In this informative article, we will guide you through the process of creating an SL in Spain and highlight how the legal experts at Castel.law can assist you in this endeavor. Understanding the Sociedad Limitada, SL. A Sociedad Limitada is a legal entity that provides limited liability protection to its shareholders. It combines elements of a partnership and a corporation, offering flexibility in management and ownership. To form an SL, the following steps need to be taken. Choosing a company name. The first step is to select a unique and appropriate name for your company. It should comply with Spanish naming regulations and should not infringe on the intellectual property rights of existing businesses, share capital and shareholders. An SL requires a minimum share capital contribution. The capital can be in the form of cash or assets. The minimum share capital required is €3,000, and shareholders can be individuals or legal entities. Articles of Association. The Articles of Association outline the internal regulations and operations of the company. It includes information about the purpose of the company, share capital, distribution of profits, and corporate governance. Notary public. The Articles of Association must be signed before a Spanish notary public. The notary will certify the legality of the document and ensure compliance with Spanish law. Tax identification number, NIF. The company must obtain a tax identification number, NIF, from the Spanish tax agency. This number is necessary for conducting business transactions and fulfilling tax obligations. Registration. The final step is to register the company with the Mercantile Registry, Registro Mercantil. This registration confirms the legal existence of the company and provides public notice of its details. How Castel.law can assist foreigners in establishing an SL. Establishing an SL as a foreigner can be challenging due to language barriers, unfamiliarity with local laws, and differences in business practices. The experienced team at Castel.law specializes in providing comprehensive legal services to foreign entrepreneurs and investors. Here's how they can assist you in creating an SL in Spain. Legal expertise. Castel.law has extensive knowledge and expertise in Spanish corporate law, specifically in the establishment of Sociedad Limitadas. They can guide you through the entire process, ensuring compliance with legal requirements and providing valuable advice tailored to your specific situation. Multilingual support. Communication is crucial when setting up a business in a foreign country. Castel.law offers multilingual support, including English, making it easier for non-Spanish speakers to understand the legal intricacies and make informed decisions. Comprehensive guidance. The team at Castel.law will assist you in every step of the process, from selecting a suitable company name to drafting the Articles of Association and obtaining the necessary documentation. They will handle the administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on your business objectives. Local network. Castel.law has a vast network of professionals, including accountants, tax advisors, and notaries, who can collaborate to ensure a seamless and efficient establishment of your SL. This comprehensive approach guarantees that all legal and administrative aspects are taken care of. Ongoing legal support. Beyond the initial establishment, Castel.law can continue to provide support day by day.